A car accelerates uniformly along a straight horizontal racing track. So when it completes 120 meters, the velocity has increased from 12 meters a second to 18 meters per second. Find the acceleration of the car and the time taken to travel that distance. So what we've got here is extracting the information. U is 12 meters per second. V is 18 meters per second. S is 120 meters. So using V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS. We've got 18 squared is equal to 12 squared plus 2A times 120. So it gives me 324 is equal to 144 plus 240 times A. Now making A the subject, or solving for A, we're going to get 180 is equal to 240 times A. And therefore A will be 180 divided by 240, which is 3/4 of a meters per second squared. Right, now find the time. So using V is equal to U plus AT, we have V equal to 18, U equal to 12, and A now equal to 3/4 times T. Now solving this for T, we're going to get that 6, taking 12 from both sides, is equal to 3/4 of T, and therefore 3T will be equal to 24, and T will be equal to 8 seconds. So this has been a video to show you how to calculate the acceleration and the time taken that a car travels. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.